just all about patience. It's all about trusting your senses. And the only way to know that it's done is by smell. It's almost like toasted hazelnuts and toasted almonds. Today I want to show you a really simple recipe, oysters and grits with bourbon brown butter. There's a lot that goes into this recipe. It's a very simple recipe, but you're gonna see how the flavors kind of build on each other. You probably have heard of shrimp and grits. It's one of the iconic dishes of the South. You see it at every restaurant. And I'm kind of putting a spin on it to do oysters. Because for me, the flavor of bourbon and the flavor of oysters are sort of a pairing that really work nicely together. So the first thing we're gonna do is work with grits. We're using really simple ingredients. And when you have a dish that only has a few ingredients, every component of this dish has to be well-sourced, it has to be really nice. Grits are basically dried corn that has been broken into uneven pieces. If you can see the texture on that, there's a lot of uneven pieces. You can see there's grist, there's kind of a flouriness. The nice thing about grits, if you rub it in your hand and you kind of let it go, there'll be a slight little powdery texture that lands on your fingers, and that's great. So, cold water.